Hey, what is up everyone, and welcome back to a new video on the channel. In today's video, we'll be checking out how you can create a business account on TikTok. So what I'll be doing is walking you through the whole process of setting up your account on TikTok, and also give you some tips and tricks on things you can think about while creating your account and also creating your content, just to make sure that your account really gets the visibility that you want it to. With that being said, as always, make sure you smash the like button down below, just so the algorithm will love this video and push it to everyone else. So everyone else who's wondering how to start a business account on TikTok also can watch this video and get started just like you. But with that being said, let's just jump straight into it and hopefully you guys enjoy. So the very first thing you want to do is just make sure you download the TikTok app, and once you have the app downloaded, most likely you already have the app, just make sure you open it up. And then once you have opened up the app, this will depend on if you already have a TikTok account or not. If you already have an account or a private account, probably that's in your name, what you want to do is just make sure you go over to your profile on TikTok, click add new account. Once you are on that step, and if you already don't have a TikTok account, then this is the page you will land on. Once you are on this page, you want to make sure you don't sign in with either your Facebook or your Apple account, because these in most cases will just be connected to your private profile. And if you're running a business, most likely you don't want the business to be around your name. In some cases, you will have your brand name, you will have your company name, whatever it is, you want to make sure that you have the right name and not just your personal profile straight away. So what you want to do here is just click on use phone or email at the top. Once you click on that, you will ask for your birth date. On this step, you want to make sure that you put a date that is at least over 18, just to make sure you don't get any kind of restrictions on your account. And if you're running a business, you're most likely over 18 anyways. So just make sure you add a date here, which is over 18. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and click on the next step. Then it will ask you for either a phone number or an email. In this case, I don't want to add my personal phone number to this specific business account. So what I'll do is just go over to email address, and then here I can easily sign up directly with your company email. If you don't have a company email, you can just set one up. You can go to Gmail, for example, set up a Gmail account, and then you can use that Gmail account to create your TikTok account. So what I did here is just added my YouTube name here. So let's say I want to create an actual TikTok for my YouTube channel. This is the email I would use. So I would just go ahead and click on next. Now this will probably send me an email notification straight away as well. And then here we'll have to verify. So let's just go ahead and do our verification here. So add it to the right spot. Very advanced. Thank you. Thank you. Then here you can just go ahead and add a password to your new account. Make sure it is secure. I know most people tell you this already, but really do make sure that you have a safe password specifically for your business account, because you never know who will get the access to your account. So just make sure you have a good password for your account. Once you have a password, you can just go ahead and click on next. Then you will get an email just like this. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Thank you. The next step will be to pick your business name or your username for the TikTok platform. And here is where you want to make sure you're using your company name. Let's say my company name is my YouTube channel, so that would be Who is Bobbin. If that is what I want to use for my TikTok account, I'll just put it right here. Hopefully your business name is not taken already. If it is taken, you could potentially reach out to the user that owns that name. And unless that person is a famous person or has a lot of followers, most likely they will offer you the account either for free, or you can buy it for, let's say, $100 if they're being very cheap. But obviously, if you have a big brand and they own your name on TikTok, they'll probably ask you for a lot of money. And I know some people have had paid 10K for just their username on a platform such as TikTok. So make sure you get your name, even though you're not going to use the TikTok platform, just make sure you have that name certified and you have the account, so you're the actual owner, because in case you want to have an account in the future, it's always good to have that brand name. Anyways, I'll pick Who is Bobbin, and then I will just go ahead and click on sign up. Once we have signed up, you can see that we have our profile right here. So the very first thing you probably want to do is probably going to be to update your profile picture. So for your profile picture, I would recommend you to either have your logo or at least a picture which is relevant to your brand. If you don't have a logo which is already fitting in terms of the TikTok format, what I would recommend you to do is go ahead and use Canva or another photo editing app, just to make sure you get an image that actually fits TikTok and looks good on the platform itself. In order to change your image, what you do is just go ahead and click on edit profile right here. And at the very top, you can see change photos. What we'll do is just change photo here. And then what I'm going to do is just upload a new photo here. So for me, because this is going to be sort of a personal account, it's not really that much of a brand. The brand itself is really me. So what I'll do here is actually have a selfie. I think this picture here in the mountains look good. So then you can just reformat to make sure. In this case, I'm the logo in this case, I guess. But if your logo doesn't fit here, just make sure you get a new picture that actually fits. You can see this is a bit off center, so I can try to center this image a little bit. I actually am in the middle of this picture, and I think that's pretty centered enough. So what I'll do is just go ahead and click on save right here, and then we'll have our image uploaded to our profile. Once you have updated your profile picture, you can see that we also have the option to add a bio to our TikTok profile. So if you go ahead and click on the bio option, you can essentially create a bio or description similar to what you have on Instagram and other platforms. Right here, you can add something that is at least descriptive of what your business is doing. So if you are a lawn mowing company, you can add something about lawn mowing here, something that might be a bit catchy or maybe a bit funny. Maybe you have a company slogan, you can add that in right here. Maybe you're selling shoes, you would have something about shoes. In my case, I am a YouTuber, so I would add something about YouTube here. So probably, okay, so for my description or my bio, added digital marketing, entrepreneur / YouTuber, free content. Maybe not the best bio, but in this case, it's a quick bio, it works, and this will probably do just fine for now. So what I'll do is just go ahead and click on save up here, and then we have our bio all done. Then at the very bottom, you can see that you have your Instagram and also your YouTube option, which might be interesting if you already have an Instagram account or if you have a YouTube account. For me, in this case, it will be relevant for me to add my YouTube account here. So users on TikTok easily can go from TikTok and then go over to my YouTube content and watch more long form content. In this case, what I'll do is I'll connect my YouTube account right here. So I'll just click on the YouTube one, and then we'll ask you to sign into your YouTube account. So I'll do that right now just to connect it to my TikTok. As you can see, I now added my YouTube account right here, and I also want to connect my Instagram account as well. So what I'll do is I'll do the same. I'll just click on the Instagram one right here, and then I'm gonna connect my Instagram as well. Once that is done, you can see that our profile has now been updated. We have our bio right here. We have the link to our YouTube as well as Instagram. And then we have obviously the bio once again, digital marketing entrepreneur, YouTuber, free content. And there you go. Your profile is pretty much all done and ready to go. In some cases, you might have the question about how do I add a link to my website on my profile? In this case, TikTok is still testing this feature and only has a limited amount of users that are actually allowed to link directly to their website. So in this case, you will actually have to wait until you get this feature. Once you get it, you'll be able to add your link right here. So people or users can actually click on your link from your profile and go to your company website and buy whatever you're selling or buy your service. So that will be a feature that will be coming up. Now, the final thing you might want to do to your profile right here is go up to your settings in the corner. Once you are in the settings, you want to go to manage account. Once you are in manage account, you will see something that is called to switch to pro account. And switching to the pro account will essentially give you more analytics behind your accounts. You'll have more stats to follow. This is perfect if you're running a business because you can actually see what is working, what's not working, and you can have more of an in-depth look on what's going on with your account and what you should be focusing on more. What I'm going to do is actually just click on the switch to pro account right here, and that will open up the further settings. So let's just wait until that loads. Once that has loaded up, you can switch to either a creator or a business. In this case, I would be a creator. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on next. Then right here, you'll have a category, and this will be similar if you chose business right here. Just make sure you pick a category that is relevant to your business or whatever you're doing. Just make sure it's relevant. So let's see if I can find something that is relevant here. I do talk about business and marketing. So let's see if we do get something here. We have food and cooking, IT, high tech, public figure, shopping, retail. We don't really have anything that's super relevant here. So what I will do is just go ahead and click on education. I'm teaching you this right now, so I guess that counts as education. So let's just go ahead and click on education for now, and then I would pick my gender, so I'll pick male, and then just click on done. Once that is done, you can see welcome to your creator account, who is Bobbin. So we can explore analytics here and also click on done. So if you do click on explore analytics, obviously we will not have anything so far because we haven't posted anything. But right here you can see you have some additional overview in terms of what's going on with your account, and you can also have the last 7 days, 28 days, 60 days. Once all that is done, just go out there, create your content on TikTok, and good luck with your content. If you want more content like this, and if you want more tips on TikTok, such as how to find the best tags to use and how to do research in terms of tags that are better fitting for your brand, make sure you subscribe to the channel as well, because this is content that will be coming out. That is going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please make sure to leave a like down below, and also leave a question if you have any in the comments. And also, if you want to, please do check out my social media where you can connect to me, ask me questions directly, and also just reach out if there's anything else you want to discuss. Finally, we do have our Discord channel, which also is linked down below. Make sure you join the Discord channel to chat with other people from the channel. Maybe you have a similar interest, maybe you have something you want to discuss with someone else, or just get someone else's input on your marketing or your account, or whatever it is. That's the place you want to join. It's all for free, so make sure you join the Discord channel. Make sure you subscribe for more content just like this one. And that's it for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.